Well, shifting our focus, a wildfire inside the Chernobyl Exclusion zone has scorched over 1,200 hectares, with Ukrainian authorities racing to contain the blaze amid dry winds. And they insist, however, that the radiation levels remain stable. And according to Ukrainian emergency authorities, the blaze broke out on May 8th, fueled by dry conditions and strong winds and gusts. Now, it has swept through contaminated forest areas near the site of the Chernobyl disaster, raising concerns over potential radiation risks. The State Nuclear Regulatory Inspectorate of Ukraine has said that there has been no dangerous rise in airborne radionuclides, including cesium. And this is despite the scale of the fire. Emergency crews say that the situation remains under control, even as the fire continues to smolder across parts of a zone and nearby forest reserves. Now, around 374 personnel have been deployed in the firefighting operation, including more than 250 rescuers from the State Emergency Service of Ukraine, working to contain hotspots and prevent further spread. Authorities say drones are being used to monitor the fire line and detect hidden smoldering areas, allowing crews to target flare-ups more precisely. The operation is being complicated by difficult terrain and lingering landmines in the region.